Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to repair and remove dents from your car. Dents can be a frustrating sight on your vehicle, but with the right tools and techniques, you can easily restore your car's appearance. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to repair dents on your own. Let's get started. Assess the damage. The first step in repairing a dent is to assess the damage. Determine the size and depth of the dent to understand the extent of repair needed. Gather the necessary tools. Before starting the repair process, make sure you have the necessary tools on hand. This may include a dent puller, rubber mallet, heat gun, and body filler. Prepare the area. Clean the area around the dent thoroughly to ensure a smooth repair process. Use a degreaser to remove any dirt or grime from the surface. Use a dent puller. Attach the dent puller to the center of the dent and slowly pull it outward to pop the dent back into place. Repeat this process until the dent is fully removed. Apply heat and pressure. If the dent is stubborn, use a heat gun to warm up the area before applying pressure with a rubber mallet. This will help reshape the metal more easily. Fill and sand. If there are any remaining imperfections, use body filler to fill in the gaps and sand it down until smooth. This will ensure a seamless finish. Finishing touches. Polish the area around the dent with rubbing compound and a microfiber cloth to blend the repaired area with the rest of the car's paintwork. Preventing future dents. To prevent future dents, consider parking in a garage or shaded area and using a car cover when parking outdoors. Professional help. If you're not comfortable with DIY dent repair or if the dent is severe, seek professional help from an auto body shop for expert assistance. Conclusion. Repairing dents on your car can be a rewarding DIY project that saves you time and money. By following these steps and using the right tools, you can easily remove dents and restore your car's appearance. Remember to be patient and take your time for the best results. Thanks for watching, and happy repairing.